everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I have got for you another haul from Ajio. Yes, this is my first haul from Ajio. I wanted to try their few of the categories, that is I want to try bags. Of course, if there is a haul there should be a bag. That's what Meghna is all about, bag. Also few of their clothing lines. Definitely I would like to try their footwear line, but my problem is my foot size is very small, so sometimes I do not get proper designs and proper fittings or for my shoes, so footwear or specifically. So I basically have not got anything right now from Ajio footwear section. Definitely I've got two clothing item and one bag. All right, now before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can hit the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. Kindly hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future videos. If you hit that bell icon, you won't be missing out basically any videos, and you will get the notifications from YouTube about my videos, and it is very easy for you. Okay, you don't have to come again and again and search for the videos. Okay, so it is very convenient and it is absolutely free. Even you can ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Since there is a giveaway planning running on my video, please participate in that also. The video you can, that particular video you can find on my channel, or else there is a separate playlist on my channel about the giveaway planning. Okay, giveaway video, so you can particularly go to that playlist and participate in the giveaway. Now that's all for this introduction part. Let's move ahead with the video. Chalo. Ajio, they do have online shopping. Of course, this is online shopping, but they do have their website as well as they have their app also. I got this basically products from their app. I ordered from the app. Okay, and I always tell you, if you have particular apps on your phone, you do get notifications about best offers running at particular site at particular time. So if possible, if your phone memory is like capable or something, do install the apps. It is very beneficial. All right, this is my personal experience. Rest is up to you. You can order from website as well. All right, now the first item which I got is this bag. See, this is a bag. It's only one zip bag. I'll show you. See, these are some. Okay, you can see it is the brand from Diva, made in India. It's an Indian brand. Okay, this is like all the coconut trees. Of course, I'm not sure about the tree, but yes, coconut trees. There's one zipper compartment. Open the zipper compartment. You can see the sling. There's one inside the small zipper compartment, and over here, I'm not sure whether you all can see. Yes, I have used this purse. So there's some chits or something. This is the one flap, and this is two flap pockets here. That is slide pockets, you can say. There are two pockets here. See. Okay, so two flap pockets, one main compartment and one zipper compartment. No pockets on front and back, but the quality of the zip is the quality of the strap, the chain strap is awesome. It is so heavy that you won't feel ki it is of cheaper quality. It is of very good quality. Okay, and the zipper quality is also very nice, and it is quite spacious. So if I want to take some water bottle, some knickknacks for my son, definitely this kind of bags are useful. Of course, this is not useful for rainy season, but normal summer and winter you all can carry this kind of bag. So this is the first bag. Now see, over here I can show you. See, the MRP of this bag is 399. Can you guess how much I paid for this? And at that time there was free shipping running on Ajio. So can you guess? Okay, I'll tell you. I think I have paid 132 rupees for this bag. So for 132 rupees, this much bag with the fringes on the sides. Of course, I forgot to tell you, there are fringes on the sides, and the strap is not adjustable, not removable. So if you don't want to use, you have to just keep it like this, and you can just do this way. You can close the zip this way. Out of the words, how to say, I forgot. And these are the fringes on both the sides, black fringes. Okay, so front and back same. So this is the first bag. I think I paid around 132 rupees. Yeah, that's it for this bag. And for the 132 rupees, not at all bad deal. Okay, now for clothing items. You all can see, these are the two clothing items which I got from Ajio. See. Okay, it's written Ajio, I can show you the bill also. See, the amount is visible, 157, 157. Okay, so you all can know the item each will cost you 157. Let me take out both the pieces, so again and again I do not have to fidget with the plastic bag. These are the two t-shirts which I got from Ajio. I wanted to try their t-shirts because it was a long time I have not purchased any t-shirt, so I wanted to try just casual t-shirts from them, and it was on 150 200 range, so I was like, okay, let's go for it. This is a peach color t-shirt, okay, and it is from the brand DNMX. Okay, the size which I ordered is extra small. You all can see extra small DNMX. Okay, it is given over here DNMX. The tag, the MRP is 299, and what I paid, that is 300 rupees. So you all can understand, I have got this particular t-shirt on 50% off, that is for 150 rupees. So for 150 rupees, not at all bad. It's a half sleeve t-shirt, normal round neck. Okay, half sleeves t-shirt, nothing like unique or nothing speciality about the sleeves, normal. There are the words written over here are the Stardust. 1 2 3 4 5 6 times Stardust. Okay, and it is written with red letterings. Okay, and normal below, that is hemline also normal, no speciality, like normal t-shirt. And I'll show you the back also. Back is plain, total blank, total plain. Okay, and this is not actually see-through, but definitely if you all want, you all can just wear a slip or maybe something inside it. Okay, so this is the first t-shirt, and the material is very cozy, comfort. So if you all want to wear this in summer also, you all can wear. So 150 for this t-shirt first. All right. This is the second t-shirt which I got. I have actually ordered one more t-shirt, but I have not yet received. If I'll receive, I'll make a separate video because I cannot wait for that delivery, because the order basically was placed in the month of March, and the delivery of this particular products I got 2 days before. So you all can understand, it took almost 2 months to get the products delivered at my doorstep. So I thought of not waiting for that particular t-shirt. I thought of making video right now only. Okay, now this is the other t-shirt is from this brand only, Team Spirit. If at all they are not cancelling the order, if I'm getting that particular piece also, I'll make a separate small video for that. Don't worry, I'll make a video so that you all know, you all come to know okay, what kind of clothes you get from Ajio. So this is a Team Spirit brand. You all can check the size, extra small always. See, tag is also there, Team Spirit, and the cost is 299. Again, I paid 154 rupees. So 154 or 157, whatever. Okay, it's a raglan sleeve. There is no, it is continuous sleeve, what you can see. You do not get any sleeve separation. It is a continuous sleeve. Okay, so this is the unique feature of this particular t-shirt. Okay, over here the slogan is written game. Okay, game. All right, on the down part it's curved hemline, that is a small round curve you will get in this particular t-shirt. I'll show you the back side. Back side is plain. Okay, there is nothing on the back. Back is plain, and this is, I guess, of light cream color. This was peach color. This is white, light cream color. And basically, whenever you all know, I have made lot of videos, Amazon t-shirts also. In that also, you all know I have ordered some solid colors, that is black, white, gray. I prefer that kind of colors in my t-shirt. I do not go basically for funky colors, because y'all know I'm a mom of 12 years old. I should understand what kind of clothes will suit me. So I order this kind of clothes. So if I want to wear in a school, or if I want to attend some parents meeting or maybe some other things, so that is one thing I always keep in mind when I purchase clothes, especially if I want to wear in Mumbai, or maybe suppose if I want to wear somewhere else. So that is like I have to keep in mind. All right, so these are the two things of clothing and one thing of bag. 3 things which I ordered from Ajio. I'm very happy with their shipping and all. Of course, I cannot blame them just because of this lockdown and all. I got the shipping very late, so that's okay, no problem. I don't mind because I do understand. And if you all want to place some orders or something, just keep everything in mind, because orange and green zone are safe, only red zone is in problem. So just keep everything in mind, and if you all want to wait, definitely wait till the lockdown gets over, then you all can order, or then you all can proceed with the purchase and all. If you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free. Comment, please don't forget to comment also. Your comment makes my day, and I feel very happy when my viewer comments me. So definitely please comment also, and participate in the giveaway planning video as I told you earlier. And do watch my other videos on my channel. Lot of clothing items, accessory haul, lot of reviews, everything is there on my channel. I have a full collection of videos. Definitely watch other videos as well. And right now on the end screen also you all can find some more videos, fun exciting videos. Watch that videos, and don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.